Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can tag in RemNote. So we have three methods and let's start with the method number one. So the basic tag is the fastest one. So let's say we have text here. I will type gold into it. Now I will select this word here and then press this hashtag symbol, and it will change here into the tag. Then press enter to select an exit tag or create a new one like that. And as you can see here now on the right side of your node, gold tag right here, if you click on it, you see that you have basically, you can add some items into it, as you can see. Now the method number two is on any line. What we can do is, okay, so now I will close this gold here. Now here what we can do is type tag. It will open up this reference and tags, and you will see the first one, and press enter. Now you can type in here the name as before and then click enter. As you can see, already is the same as before. So this is the second method, and then we have the third method, which you can use two hashtags here, and then you can type in silver, for example, and it's the same way. So you can type in also, let's say, daily task, and then you have it right here. And yeah, this is basically how you can tag in RemNote. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the